Hi DVC fan, Paul and Amy here. Today we are going to show you a dedicated 2-bedroom villa at Disney's Grand Californian. As always, our content is brought to you by Keyholder Vacations, DVC Resale Market, where you can buy and sell that Grand Californian contract, Monero Financial, who can help you finance that contract, and DVC Rental Store, where you can try before you buy or rent out your unused points. Coming into the entrance of the villa, we have a little hall space. Paul on this side here is standing in the entry to the second bedroom. And then right across from that entrance, we do have a large entry closet. And this closet is going to have some extra pillows and blankets. There's a luggage rack in there, lots of space for hanging some clothes. And then on the other side is where you're actually going to find some laundry supplies. So laundry, basket, ironing board, and an iron. Coming into the kitchen dining space, to my left, we have a large dining table. Can certainly see at least 9 guests. And then over here on my right, we enter into the kitchen space. It is a full kitchen, so we're gonna have everything we need. Dishwasher, a very deep sink here. And then we're gonna have a range and a microwave as well. We've also got a pretty large toaster here, and then we've got a full fridge and freezer. The freezer does not have an ice maker, but there are some ice trays. There's also an ice machine down the hall that you can fill up your ice bucket with. And then over here, we do have a small kitchen island, and there is storage in the island that is gonna have things you need, such as silverware. These units do have an older drip coffee pot, as opposed to the new Keurigs that we're seeing going into DVC villas. But you are gonna have drinkware, diningware, cookware, everything that you need in order to cook. One of the additions with the refurbishment has been the Murphy bed. So we've got that queen size bed behind that we'll pull down for you in a second. And then obviously we have the couch as well. Also in this living space, we've got a large chair, and then we have our coffee table. We've got the Murphy bed down. We've got artwork behind it. The artwork varies depending on what villa you're in, but always related to Bambi or something outdoors. We have noticed, so there's a light inside there, but there is no charging in the Murphy bed. On the nightstands in that area, there are some outlets. Most of them are being used by lamps and things like that, so you may have to unplug to get some charging. In the corner of the living room, we have a door that leads out into the balcony. The balcony also connects to the main bedroom. And then next to that, we've got our large smart TV. Underneath that is your single Murphy bed. The villa does sleep 9, so the 9th person sleeps here. This was a little challenging to open, and so Paul's gonna put some footage of the Murphy bed open. We're out on the balcony. You can get to the balcony from both the main bedroom, which has a big sliding glass door, and then this door from the living room. It is a good sized balcony. We've got some chairs with cushions and a little table. And then we do have a view mostly of the woods, but we can see through the trees Disney's California Adventure Park. We can definitely hear the screams from Goofy's Sky School coaster. One benefit of the 2-bedroom villa at Grand Californian is that it has an extra bathroom. So there is a 3rd bathroom off of the kitchen. And in here, we're going to find our sink, another toilet, and then we also have a walk-in shower. Heading into the main bedroom, before we get there, we are going to have a closet here that's going to have our stacked washer and dryer unit. Here in the main bedroom, we have a king-size bed. We've got nightstands on each side. On the left side, the charging situation is there's an outlet. There is a lamp plugged into it, but there is one spot left. And then on this side, we do have an iHome that has some USB and I believe a USB-C as well, and then wireless charging. Across on the bed, we've got a desk that does have some built-in charging capabilities. Next to that, we've got our TV in this furniture unit with 6 drawers to store your clothes. And then the bed is also a platform bed, so there is space for your luggage underneath of it. Next to that, we've got a little stool and then some hanging space. And then the hall here is going to lead us into the main bathroom. Here in the main bathroom, we have a soaking tub. It is actually a Whirlpool tub. It does have jets. The bathroom is one of the things that they are going to be refurbishing again because they didn't really make any changes to the bathroom. So hopefully we'll see an updated version of those soon. We do have a really nice large sink with a lot of countertop space here, as well as some storage space underneath. I think this is a weird feature, but we do have it in several different DVC villas that you've got this window that passes through into the main bathroom from the bedroom, but the good news is that you can close it. Moving into the bathroom, we have a toilet closet over here on my right, and then to my left here, we have a large walk-in shower. In the hall of the main bedroom, we do have a smaller closet. In it, you'll find extra pillows and blankets, hanging supplies, a luggage rack, your safe. And then we have noticed that Grand Californian does have robes. You'll find 2 robes in both bathrooms. The second bedroom is going to be similar to a studio in that you're going to have space for 4 people, but instead of a queen bed and a Murphy bed, we have 2 queen beds. And then we are also going to have a bathroom in here. Between the beds, you are going to find your nightstand with your phone. Because of some of the electrical challenges in the villa, they went with an iHome to add some charging. So you're gonna have a USB, a USB-C, and some wireless charging on this iHome. Both beds have space underneath of them so that you can store luggage. They are both platform beds. As part of the recent refurbishment, we also have new carpeting in here and then new vinyl plank floors. I will say that the refurbishment has received some criticism as not everything was switched out as you would expect for a hard goods refurbishment. For example, this desk, we're pretty positive is part of the previous furniture that was there. There's still a lot of scratches and nicks on it. One thing I do want to note that is a positive about Grand Cal is that you can get room service. So in-room dining is available and it's a very robust menu. You're going to see a lot of the same things that are available out at the Craftsman Grill and Bar. Also built into the desk is some charging. We have got 3 regular plugs and 2 USBs. And then next to the desk, this piece of furniture is going to house your television as well as drawers for your clothes. This second bedroom also has a very large hall type foyer space. So we've got a bench and some hanging space. A lot of places to store your luggage here. And then over here, because this is a dedicated, we have the door that goes out to the rest of the villa, to the living room and the kitchen. But unlike a lock-off, there is no exterior door. Similar to most studios, this dedicated second bedroom does have a sink that is outside of the rest of the bathroom. And then next to that, we have a really good sized closet. Inside the closet is where you're going to find extra blankets and pillows, hanging space, as well as your safe and your luggage rack. We've got a smaller bathroom as typical of a second bedroom or a studio. So we've got a shower, bath combo, and the toilet. Now, Grand Cal has had some pushback on the refurbishment, and one of the things that they have come out and told members is that they plan to do a second phase of the refurbishment, and a main portion of that is going to be the bathrooms. Off of the second dedicated bedroom, there is a second smaller balcony. Still has the same furniture on it, a very similar view, but the two balconies, even though the villa is fully connected, the two balconies don't connect because the living room is in between them. Let's talk points for this 2-bedroom dedicated villa. At Grand Cal, there are no view designations. So you could be overlooking the pool or you could be overlooking the theme park, which we are. For tonight, it is a Thursday in August, so this was 52 points. This room can go as high as 108 points during the holidays, but you can also get it for as low as 46 points a night. That's gonna do it for us. We've got dinner tonight at the Craftsman Bar and Grill. Be sure to hit that like button, sign up for notifications so you know when new videos are available. Join in the conversation in the DVC Fan Facebook group, also in our forums.dvcfan.com. And for bonus content, check out our Patreon, patreon.com/dvcfan.